Concrete is the most destructive material on Earth. Over the past 20 years, concrete carbon emissions have doubled to 4.2 billion tons annually due to concrete manufacture for buildings, roads, and other infrastructure. This accelerated concrete production emitted nearly 2.9 billion tons of CO2 just last year. The escalation in concrete production has also led to the mass production of construction and demolition waste, or C&D waste, which accounts for 30% of waste produced globally. Majority of this waste goes directly into landfills, and these landfills take up huge amounts of potential land resources, presenting the critical need for sustainable concrete. Hi, my name is Isheta, and I'm Recon's Head of Design and Development. Concrete makes up 85% of all US C&D waste, but much of this concrete has great potential for recycling. Let's start with the basics. Concrete is made up of cement, sand, gravel or aggregate, water, and air. Recon hones in on the aggregate component to optimize end-of-life construction waste under extensive quality management. The C&D recycled aggregate is placed in a sealed carbonation chamber, which is existing technology not currently employed for this purpose. The aggregate is then exposed to CO2 at 150 kPa pressure for 90 minutes. All concrete has slight imperfections or pores, giving way for cracks and erosion over time. Our reaction, on the other hand, combats this by precipitating calcium carbonate into the pore spaces, thus filling them and making the structure denser, less porous, more water resistant, and stronger. Because we use carbon dioxide from the atmosphere in our concrete, this novel process is actually carbon negative. Our approach decreases CO2 emissions, reduces environmental impacts of rotting C&D waste, lowers cost of production by 25% from $108 to $81, and creates a circular economy to sustain generations to come.
In the market, Recon's competition accounts for material alternatives and companies. Materials such as bamboo, clay, rammed earth, timbercrete, ashcrete, and grasscrete all lower carbon emissions, but they lack durability and the use of repurposed material. Hi, my name is Sahaana, and I'm Recon's Head of Marketing and Customer Segmentation. Now, from a company standpoint, our only competitor, Carbon Cure, utilizes the technique of carbon injection, but they do not optimize landfill space nor use repurposed materials. Thus, Recon is the way to go. Recon's market amounts to $6.3 billion. Our service available market, the green contractor industry. In Tier 1, we target green construction consulting firms and green contractor workers units. We want to ensure that like-minded individuals get their hands on our product as quickly as possible. This encompasses our service obtainable market of $189.3 million. Next, in Tier 2, we target contractors and companies that deprioritize the environment in their industry. Lastly, in Tier 3, we target the general public coupled with the general contractor industry. We utilize wholesale retail, such as Lowe's and Home Depot, to accomplish this.
Recon provides a multifaceted approach to remediate the impacts of climate change effectively. Hi, my name is Iveena, and I'm the Head of Finance and Sustainability Implementation here at Recon. The overuse of non-sustainable building materials and the belief that carbon cannot be repurposed must be eliminated. Landfill waste, GHG emissions, public health obstacles, and contamination of natural resources are all problems stemming from carbon emissions. Recon eliminates these issues through repurposed and recycled aggregate. We eliminate the probability of concrete cracking further through our use of carbon aggregate to seal the interstitial spaces created by heterogeneous media. And in terms of carbon reduction, although there are carbon offsets in industry, we have done this through our aggregate, and we are thus reducing the landfill waste from excess building materials. We hope to raise the amount of end-of-life materials used to manufacture concrete, and thus a positive impact is sure to come. In addition to our unique carbonation treatment to seal interstitial spaces, the opportunity to use end-of-life materials to create the concrete rebarring process is a creative aspect which requires ingenuity and a fresh outlook on how to repurpose materials. Through our past pitch endeavors, we have been awarded funds to start our own ventures, and we are excited to pursue Recon Inc. Along with this, we've conducted extensive research, doing over 60 simulations on tensile strength and the relationship between building materials and strength. We've also heavily aligned our product with the UN sustainability goals to open up the world to 10+ seed opportunity grants, along with 50+ opportunities to get patent.
All in all, Recon Inc.'s innovative structure allows for carbon optimization through carbon negative techniques. Not only will this revolutionize the eco-crete industry, but pave a way for a greener future.